Have you ever wondered why you're more likely to pay your mortgage than stick to your savings goals, or show up at work Monday to Friday than hit the gym regularly? Have you wondered why you meet deadlines in your 9-to-5 job but struggle to stick to your personal plans? The answer to this mystery is simple: consequences. For those external obligations, you're acutely aware of the inevitable consequences of non-compliance. If you keep going AWOL at work or consistently miss your deadlines, you may soon have to find another job, and if you refuse to pay your mortgage, you're risking foreclosure. Moreover, when you consider negativity bias, you'll understand why we'll naturally want to avoid the consequences above. Just a quick definition: negativity bias is the psychological concept that highlights our tendency to be more affected by negative events and emotions than positive ones. Essentially, we're hardwired to avoid pain. But what if we apply the same idea to our personal goals? What if we flip the script and use this knowledge to our advantage? It turns out, the consequences for not pursuing our personal goals can be just as severe as those above, if not more so. Sometimes, simply contemplating the painful repercussions of not pursuing your most important goals can be the spark you need to chase after them. This can be very powerful, especially if these consequences are irreversible. For instance, you might imagine being forced to work beyond your retirement years because you didn't follow through on the plan for your financial future, or the long-term health problems that can result from abandoning your health and fitness goals. You might even think about the eternal regrets of not taking the golden opportunity currently in front of you. So, if thinking about what you can gain from chasing your goal is not enough to motivate you, it's probably time to unleash the power of consequences so you can do the work that'll change your life. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.